So in this video, we're gonna be covering the LinkedIn network limit and how to slow yourself down so you don't reach it so quickly. Let's get into it. So to start, if you're using LinkedIn for sales, you're gonna reach that 30,000 limit on LinkedIn really quickly. And what this means is you can have 30,000 connections. But like I said, if you're using a tool like LeadLoft, where maybe you're running outreach or using AI agents to automate lead generation, say I hop in here, I have a VP Zapbound playbook, you can see there's automated connections here, automated messages, etc. If you're running sales and you're really connecting with a lot of contacts, of course, you're going to reach that limit much faster, right? So to slow it down, there's a few things I can do. I can hop into this profile where there's Mateo. And you can see here that he actually has follow as the button on his profile instead of connect. And you might have noticed, yeah, he has 4,500 followers. Why does it say follow instead of connect? And that's because this is a setting. So I can still connect with him. I can click more and click connect. If you reach that 30K limit, this connect button actually will not be there, but you can still toggle that setting before you reach 30,000. So how do you do that? Well, if you're in LinkedIn, scroll up to me on the top, click settings and privacy, scroll over to visibility here on the left, and then you just want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Go to followers, and then there's a make follow primary toggle, and just go ahead and toggle that on. When you toggle it on, it will default your profile to say follow instead of connect. And what this means is people will follow you by default, or they're more likely to follow you instead of actually just connecting with you. And that's really what you want. People who follow you get to see your content, get to see what you're posting about. So if you're really posting a lot on LinkedIn, you want more followers. Connections are nice if you're communicating with them, but you really do prefer to have followers. The next thing here is just don't accept everybody's connection requests. Really be thorough with it. If you hop into your network, if somebody is random or spammy or salesy, don't accept it. Look at who's actually connecting with you. Make sure it's somebody that you actually want to have a relationship with or is in the same industry as you. If they're not, it's totally fine. Just ignore it, move on, get rid of them. You want to connect with people who are in your industry or at least industry adjacent. And of course, anybody who's a colleague or a friend from college, people who are legitimately in your network as well. So when it comes down to it, those are my 2 tips. To recap really quickly, on LinkedIn, update your profile to be follow first instead of connections. On the other side, only accept connection requests from people who are really in your industry, industry adjacent, or who are legitimately in your network. So hopefully that's helpful. If you are looking to generate leads on LinkedIn, please check out LeadLoft. It's super powerful. Of course, you can run those LinkedIn automations. You can find emails, prospect on LinkedIn, etc. We do a lot. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.